Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will see the restart card of the U2 that ran from 1981 to 2015. However, MTS decided not to scrap it. So, in this video, I will be talking about the U2 now serving the server line only on Saturdays. If you want to learn more, please stay to the end of the video. And let's find out more journey with this YouTube. And sit back and relax and enjoy the video. I will see you at the end of the video. They announced this on June 11th, so before Saturday could run. And now it has been restored. Our childhood trolley has been restored, not scrapped. So I'm happy that MTS did not scrap these because they're good trolleys to run the system from 1981 to the early 2000s. And let's talk more about the journey on the U2. We begin to see the U2 coming in from the Santa Fe Depot from the gas quarter or the cabbage, whatever you want to call it. So before I see it, I decided to film a couple trains at Santa Fe Depot. As you see now, this is the trolley heading towards Santee. And meanwhile, we wait even more. We will see an Amtrak Calais 768 coming from Los Angeles. Now running into the Santa Fe Depot, we see Amtrak train number 768 running almost in half an hour. This has been leading by Charger number 2119 and cat car 6905. However, this train was late because due to signal issues up in San Clemente or San Juan Capistrano, I'm not sure. So, also my friends are also in this train because they decided to take 768 from Oceanside to downtown San Diego, or known as Santa Fe Depot. So they could, well, one was from the U2, the other one is just like, nah, I don't want to film it. So I'll put their links in the video description below. And, however, this, oh wait, never mind, 6906, whoops, wait, 6905. Sorry, I got confused a little bit there. After before the U2 came, we saw another trolley heading north. This is going to Santee as usual. However, the U2 is behind. This trolley set that has the Fox animations for Comic Con 2019. You could probably see more on my news videos. So yeah. 3 minutes has been passed by and now we see the one and only U2 trolley car number 1001. Oh yeah. I apologize for not filming it right because I was super excited. I kind of like shaking the camera as you see now. Sorry about that, because I'm pretty excited that my channel has been restored. Oh my god, not again, I'm so bad. It's because I don't always say my child. Wait again for our YouTube. We head to the gas corner to film it, but before it came again, we saw two trolleys meeting each other at the gas corner. You could always see this too much often. Well, I wish I could do more videos about this. It's just like I don't really like that station too much, but for sake of this video for the YouTube, I decided to film it there. So yeah. And then after this trolley came in, it's running behind it. The U2 is running behind this trolley, so that you're actually seeing right now. And that other thing heading towards Tour Imperial will also wait at the, because it's single track while getting to the Tour Imperial. So we see this trolley almost getting ready heading towards Santee, but however, it doesn't run too much behind it because it has to go slow because they don't want it to have an accident with the other trolleys that's sleeping right now. And then we see it coming. And here it is, running behind the trolley that just served gas our quarter. We were not been riding this trolley until when I when we got it at 12 period, but before it reached to 12 period, me and my friends we decided to go to a yard at Barrio Logan, but we said nothing special. So we headed back to the 12 period and then saw this amazing trolley and the driver with us too. I surprised Jake, what are you doing? Wow, Jake. And then it gets ready to leak gas or color, and the driver will fight us again. They're kind of cool, in my opinion. So yeah, I really love the driver who's driving it, but I don't know the other driver near him. I think he knows me because he's actually seen me a couple times. So this is why he's giving me like a punch up, but not too much. I wish he did give me it. Oh, that would be cool. I think he did another time, but I don't know where he did that. So yeah, and there goes a piece of legacy. So before it left, we took another southbound heading towards Imperial so we could get it for the ride. But however, we didn't decide to wait at Imperial. We decided to go to Barrio Logan, but I didn't catch nothing there. So we had to take this ride towards Imperial so we could start our journey in a couple seconds. And yeah, you could hear in the video kind of. So yeah. And now the journey begins on the U2. So finally we've been on the ride. Sorry we didn't like hop on it on the first time we got into Imperius because we decided to go to the yard because it's always switching. And yeah, so this is why I didn't go exactly to Imperial. We actually went to Barrio Logan. If you guys live in the San Diego area, then you know what we mean. But if you guys have out of San Diego, then check out semts.com for train stations. So yeah, and now the journey starts by full time lapse, and we begin our time lapse because I didn't feel like boring you guys are like for a full ride. But if you want it for a full ride, I'll do it a second part today. I would do a voiceover, maybe, you know, I'm not sure. And now we're running to Gafford Quarter. And you can see what I'm talking about early. This train has to wait for that northbound Santee until it hits Seaport Village or Santa Fe Depot. So it can run behind it so they don't crash into each other. As you see now, the trolley up and going to Santee has now run to the convention center area. But since they had to wait for it, they had to wait until it reached Seaport Village or Santa Fe Depot so they could switch tracks. No, they normally do that they had to wait the trolley around at Santa Fe Depot because there's a switch still that MTS decided not to take away because just in case some few non-service trolleys had to go to America Plaza for the Blue and Rush Hour. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the ride, sorry. Also, my friend will do also a narration about this, but he will release it on Thursday. However, I release it on Tuesday or Wednesday. So yeah, or by the time you watch this, it's not Wednesday, so yeah. And now we're running at the convention center area where the Comic Con take place later this week. And I cannot wait for that. Also now we're running around the convention center area. Some people get these confused because they think this is like another green line serving the other train that just passed by. But it's actually the loop that will actually take them around downtown San Diego. Also, while we left Seaport Village, well, which should be coming up now, there were some people hanging in the bushes, which I wish you guys could hear, but I would decide to put the other video pretty soon as well. So this is going to be a part 2, maybe a part 3, who knows. No, actually I will do this part 2 since I can only upload videos on phone because I don't have a laptop or a computer. I could upload even more. So this is why if you guys have been in the channel lately, this is why I don't upload like 20-minute videos or an hour long videos because it doesn't do that for phone yet. I wish they do it. But I get my new laptop soon because I lost it, so sorry about that. So now I will start uploading more longer videos than usual. So now it's gonna be 15-minute videos, so now they're gonna be even more long than 15 minutes. But actually, before we finish this journey, I decided to film this at Barrio Plaza. This is a kind of ruin choice heading down to San Isidro in the rush hours from San Isidro and America Plaza and back again. So yeah, we're about to arrive at America Plaza. As you can see right now, it's actually like a switch up ahead. So this is why they have to wait for the lineup, the U2 upper. As you can see now, it's just that horizontal. It's not horizontal. It's like that. It's angled, almost like an X. So that means you have to diverge. It's not like actually like diverging like how you see on cars back, or it's more like a. You can switch tracks. I mean, at speeds that you're doing it right now. So now we're running on American Plaza, as you can see. You don't always see these cars using this way normally, but you always see them sometimes. So now we're running at American Plaza. You can see now the blue line. Sometimes blue line will leave before the server line. So this is why I will put the next video. However, you'll see blue line leaving first, then the server line. So yeah, the journey house ended for our server line. So yeah, you'll see this leaving at Merc Park. I said before, they have to wait for the blue line that's leaving now. It's because they normally leave before blue line actually leaves for like 2 minutes, but they decide to wait for the blue line leaving for the to heading towards San Isidro. And yeah, so that was a pretty fun ride. But actually, I'll do another part 2 because I'll be talking more about this journey again. So yeah, so let's do it and wait for this departure. So yeah, the driver gave us 2 glass when he leaves America Plaza. It's because he knows me. Sometimes I ask him to do the horn. Yeah, it's not always a good experience because some drivers will not do it to you. But hey, it's worth a try. They might do it, they might not. There it goes, heading again to Town Imperial. I'll be talking more in part 2, so enjoy the next part, and I'll see you later.